Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's makeup is going to be focused mostly on the skin, and it's revolving around this new technique called yoga skin. Last year was all about glass skin. 2019 is all about this yoga skin. It's trending on Instagram, and it was created by a makeup artist called Sarah Hill, and it's basically the illusion of a post-yoga workout. So it's basically plump, refreshed, hydrated, flushed looking skin, and it's just simply healthy and glossy. So I ended up becoming really intrigued by this yoga skin technique. So I was looking at a couple of videos and things like that, and I thought that I would do a video for you guys and sort of try this technique out myself. This is the first time I'm actually doing it, and I actually took a chance by using drugstore products mostly. I wanted to create something, of course, which is affordable and readily available to you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I've already cleansed and moisturized my face. I'm going to begin with the Pixie Glow Mist for extra hydration. I let this sit for about a minute or two before laying the base. Now this look is all about that base and is the most essential part to achieving that healthy yoga glow. I'm going to make a concoction using a medium buildable foundation. This one is from NYX and it's fluid. Now to this I'm adding 2 drops of my Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. This will help with the thinning out of the product and add some skincare benefits. I'm also adding 1 drop of my argan oil for moisturizing, and finally some L'Oreal Glowtion for that dewiness. Now using clean fingers, I'm giving this a good mix and directly massaging this onto my skin. This really helps with blood circulation as you're massaging the product in. It's just like getting a facial, or in this case, a really good yoga workout. Now after this, you will see that the skin has evened out. It's looking pretty healthy and dewy, and you didn't even need that expensive yoga membership. Now you want to examine the face and apply just a touch of concealer to the areas you need it the most. For me, it's the under eyes, so I am using a bit of concealer and blending this out with my fingers. If you have oily skin and your concealer creases, then you can set it with some powder, but leave the baking out for this look. I'm going to leave it as is and move on to the cheeks. I'm using a cream product from NYX, warming this up on the back of my hand first and then dab, dab, dab with my fingers. Now this shade in particular is a bit neutral, and I wanted that bright, flush cheek, so I went in with another shade. I'll have the names linked down below, but this is what gave me that pinched cheek effect. And I do take this far into the cheeks and also some around my nose for that realistic appearance. Usually after a good workout, the cheeks and nose areas are the most flushed because of the blood flow and the circulation. Now because this is a skin focused look, I kept the eyes very simple. I just curled my lashes, added mascara, and that was that. Same thing for the lips. I used the NYX Plush gloss and added like a clear gloss on top. And then I'm finishing with a dewy setting spray. And there you have it. The yoga skin is said to be the sexiest skin of 2019, and I couldn't agree more. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really like the way my skin is looking. I really enjoyed using all of the products in here to create this look. I think it actually turned out really nice. It doesn't look heavy, it doesn't look cakey. It actually gives you that really nice, dewy, healthy, flushed looking skin, and it's like nice and plump. So I really am very happy with how this turned out, especially using all drugstore products. I think the only expensive product I ended up using was the Estee Lauder Serum, but that's like my night repair serum. That's basically something that is that I use every night before going to bed, so I thought I'd take a chance and use it in this tutorial. But other than that, everything else was pretty much affordable and drugstore. Please do share this video with your friends and family or anyone else who would benefit from this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!